This video will go over how to get a random number in JavaScript. So first, let's make a random number, and to be more specific, random integer with a min and a max. And now you might be wondering, how does JavaScript, or really any programming language, get random numbers? Well, you could probably guess that they're not actually truly random, but they use a variety of factors. And I'm not too familiar with all of them, but I'd assume some of the factors include like the system time, mouse position, other stuff that changes frequently. So, we can make this algorithm ourselves, or we can use the built-in Math.random function JavaScript has. This function provides a random, not really random, but seemingly random number from 0, including 0, all the way up until 1, but not including 1. So it could be from 0 to 0.9999999, 0.9 repeating, and I mean, I guess technically that's 1, but not whatever. You know what I mean. It doesn't actually go to 1. So therefore the domain of this function would be 0, 1, non-inclusive, exclusive. So if we want to, hold on. Just sneezed. Anyways, so if we want to get a random number from 0 to 10, what we'd need to do is multiply by 10, right? Well, no. Sorry. Because that'll only get us a random number up until 10. It won't actually get 10 itself. So we're going to need to go up by 11. So we get a random... Bless me. Sorry. A random number from 0 to 11. This includes 10, but not 11. Sorry. Now, we don't actually want all these random other numbers like 0.5 or whatever. So we're going to do a math.floor function, which basically just chops off a decimal. And now we have a random number from 1 through 10. Let's actually make it max divided by min. So max plus 1, I think, because including 1. Temporary files. 9, 2, 6, 7, 8, 3, 5, 2, 8, 9, 1, 0. Ooh-wee. Zeros. Okay, let's do plus 2 so we actually include the 1 and the 10. Or no, we actually just do 1. We just do 1, yeah. Ooh-wee. Okay. So then we just add min. And boom. Yeah. 10, 4, 6, 5, 9, 2, 8, 1. And we get all the random numbers, or all the numbers 1 through 10. And we can do 100 to 1000. And we get even bigger random numbers. So this is a simple guide on how to make a random number generator in JavaScript. So yeah. So if you want